What's up guys, Keitora YYC in the house here, back with another unboxing video, and super excited about this one. As you guys can see, this is the Dasai Bosozoku Mochi, or Bosu Mochi, and if you know about this one, this was actually a limited release, limited version of Mochi, so it was a little difficult to get. But super excited that I got one, and yeah, it's the Mochi version 2, but the Bosozoku edition. So got a little excited here, already ripped the top a bit, but yeah, let's get down into the unboxing. Ooh, okay, so we've got startup manual first. Oh nice, okay, so I'll let you guys pause and read that. And then also we've got the face gallery here. That's cool. And you guys, yeah, I'll pause and you guys can read that as well. Very cool, very cool. And then we have Mochi itself. Enjoy. Yeah, I definitely will. Got Mochi, and then looks like, oh yeah, we've got some goodies on the bottom too. Awesome. Wicked. Cool. So yeah, USB-C cable, pretty standard. And then we've got two Velcro double-sided mounting pads. Super awesome. And then yeah, we've got Mochi itself. So and there he is, little racer guy, Mochi. So we've got, this is Mochi version 2, remember, so we've got speaker in the back, USB-C interface, and then we've got some configuration buttons. So this one should change the color of the flash ball, this one changes the animation, and then we've got a button here for configuration as well. So yeah, you can take your sticky pad and slap it there, and then super easy to mount wherever you want to mount. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and plug this little guy in and see how that is. Oh, that's just the coolest thing. I really like the animation on the lights too. Wow, can't wait to see what that looks like in the dark. And yeah, I'm gonna install this on the Suzuki Keitora DA63T. Haven't really decided whereabouts on the dash I'm gonna install it, but probably somewhere cool. And yeah, can't wait to play with all the different colors and animations. And oh. Okay, looks like he just had a snack. I didn't catch what he ate there, but yeah. That's the Bosozoku Mochi. Super excited to see kind of Bosozoku culture taken off a bit more. If you guys might remember that flash ball that I unboxed. So if you want to check that out, you can check it out here. Also, along the lines of Bosozoku culture, I unboxed a Tsurikawa as well. So you can check that out here as well. I will drop a link in the description for Dasai. Shout out to Dasai for this wicked thing. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.